a flame that never dies. You reached into my darkness and showed me I'm alive. A spark